frustration.
Are you getting frustrated that you're on your tummy on Daddy? Huh? Tell him. Tell your dada. Olivia. Hey, baby. See, Daddy, I'm not liking tummy time. Oh, was that the problem? You had a burp stuck? Oh. Good job, baby. Mommy got that on video. Oh, Dada. Oh,